Hi guys, this is Tech Howdy. I welcome you to this video tutorial on creating an Angular 7 application with ASP.NET Core 2.2. In this video tutorial, we will be installing Angular CLI on our computer. To do this, as mentioned in the first video tutorial, you need to install Node.js. If you haven't installed Node.js yet, go ahead, go to nodejs.org and install the current version of Node.js, since we need Node.js to run the npm commands. Once Node.js has been installed, go ahead and open your terminal. We will be installing Angular CLI globally, and we will be installing the latest version of Angular, which is Angular 7. In order to check if you have npm installed, all you need to do is type the following command: npm -v. Typing this command will give you the version of npm installed on your computer. If you get an error saying that the npm command is not recognized, then you need to install Node.js. If you already have npm installed and never used it, then it's a good idea to go ahead and update npm. To update npm, all you have to do is type the following command, which is npm install -g, which stands for globally npm at latest, and then hit enter. Doing this will update the npm version installed on your computer to the current version. The reason why I'm getting this error is because I need to use the sudo keyword before the sudo command, before any command that I run to install any npm packages or update any npm related software. So on a Mac, you need to use the sudo command and then type the npm install update command. So let's hit enter now and then give your computer's password. You would not be able to see the password as it is invisible. Once done, npm will be updated. As you see, one package has been updated, and that's it. And you can again go ahead and check the version of npm. So if you all have npm installed, you should get something like this on your terminal. Let me clear the terminal now so that we can have a better view of our terminal window. Now the next step is to install Angular CLI. To install Angular CLI, we are going to type the following command: sudo npm install globally at angular/CLI and hit enter. Doing this will install the latest version of Angular CLI globally on your computer. So we have installed Angular CLI successfully using our terminal window. Now to check if Angular CLI was successfully installed on our computer, we are going to run the following command, which is ng version, and then hit enter. As you can see, you should see something like this on your terminal window, which says Angular CLI and the version of the CLI. Since at this point the latest version is 7.3.1, you would see something like this. So we have successfully installed Angular CLI globally on our computer. Now let's go ahead and create our .NET application with Angular CLI. So now to create our .NET application with Angular CLI, the first thing that I've done is on my desktop, I have created a folder called as ng_core. And inside this folder, I'm going to create my new application. So go ahead and create a folder on your desktop. You can name it whatever you like. Once the folder is created, just go to your terminal. Let's clear our terminal window and then cd into this folder. Once inside this folder, we will run the following command. .NET new Angular space -o, and then we are going to give this application a name which would be ng_core_auth for authentication. You can name this application whatever you like. So after you have entered the command .NET new Angular -o ng_core_auth, just hit enter. Once you have hit enter, you should see something like this on your screen where it says the restore was succeeded, and you will see a new folder called as ng_core_auth, which is basically the name of the application that you provided when executing this command. Now go ahead and open this application and you will see that the application has been created, and you will have a .cs project file within the application. Now the next thing that you want to do is run this application. You can run this application by using the .NET Run command, or you can just double click on your CS project file. If you have Visual Studio IDE for Mac installed, it should be working directly. So please make sure that you have Visual Studio installed, and then just go ahead and click on this CS project file, and now the application should compile and run. As you see, the application is compiling and it is running. The package was successfully restored. Now to run the application on your browser, just click on this play button here, and then it should run the application. Our application is being loaded onto the browser. For the first time, it will take a few seconds, but the next time when you load it, it should work fine. As you see, we have our Angular application created here, and we can access it now. So the application is working fine, and that should be it for this video tutorial. In the next video tutorial, I will show you how you can update your Angular application, which is currently running on version 6 that when we created it. So if you go to your package.json file inside your client app, you will be able to see that the version of your Angular application is 6. And what we need to do right now is update this to 7. In the next video tutorial, I will show you how you can update this. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel, Tech Howdy.